Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all that comes over to watch my videos. I really do appreciate every one of you. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to every one of you that lives in America. Today I'm going to be making stuffing. If you are baking turkey, you need to have your stuffing because they go together. Usually, I like to add protein to my stuffing. That is why I'm going to be using ground turkey. You can as well use ground chicken. Or ground beef. So, I'm going to go ahead to brown the turkey that I'm going to be using. I have added my seasonings. Use seasoning of your own choice. Okay, guys, add what you like to add. Now I'm going to be mixing to allow the seasonings that I added to incorporate together. I added cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and a parsley dry leaf. So I'm going to be mixing everything together as the meat is being browned in the pot. Turn it around and make sure it's not burning. So you can see that the meat is getting browned and is getting ready to be accepted by other ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have to make sure that every part of the meat is browned. Now I just added chicken bouillon and I'm going to be adding my broth, that is chicken broth. I'm mixing it together. Mix it very well. And I just added celery, chopped celery, and I'm going to be adding chopped carrots and onion. Then I will allow it to come to a boil. Mix it very well and bring it to a boil. So as soon as it is boiled, then you can add your stuffing crumbs. That is the dry bread. So I'm going to allow the dry bread to soak up the water, like the juice, the sauce, and the pot. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I will give it a quick turn it around, and make sure that every part of the crumbs is being covered by the sauce. And once that is done, I'm going to turn off my heat and allow it to simmer. As soon as it has simmered, then I'm going to bring it out from the pot and dish it out. So this is how I make my stuffing. You can make it in any way you like, but I like to add meat to my stuffing. So I want to say thank you every one of you that comes along to watch my video. Please do not hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. I will see you in my next video. Bye.